Welcome to Frog Furnishings and assembly guidance for our 32-gallon Ridgeview trash receptacle. Be sure to install your receptacle on a flat and level surface. Unpack the contents of your container box and ensure all pieces are included. Please read the assembly instructions and follow all directions. There are 2 side panels measuring 27 3/4 inches, 2 front and back panels measuring 29 1/2 inches, 1 bottom panel, 1 lid, and 23-inch deck screws. The recommended tool for assembly is a powered driver drill with a Phillips head bit. Begin by arranging the 4 side panels upright to form a square. The 2 wider panels should be positioned opposite each other, with the 2 narrower side panels completing the square. Place the bottom panel inside the frame, resting it on the interior ledges of the side panels. Then secure the corners by driving in the 3-inch deck screws. Repeat this process on all 4 sides until the panels are fastened together. Next, place the lid on top. Assembly is now complete. Enjoy your premium Frog Furnishings Ridgeview trash receptacle.